it is revealed by Jesus that this God, one God, has three persons, the divine persons, the persons of the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. These are not three gods, but one God sharing in one divinity, as Father, as Son, and as Holy Spirit. It is a mystery. So, wag niyong alugin ang inyong utak sa pag-iisip paano mangyayari yung isa ay tatlo. We will never be able to understand the mystery of the Trinity, perhaps only when we reach heaven. And so, my dear sisters and brothers, this morning, in this reflection, let us ask, what do we celebrate? What do we celebrate in the Holy Trinity? Well, first of all, we celebrate, it is a celebration of uniqueness. We celebrate uniqueness. Sa Tagalog, katangi-tangi.